Okay, emergency AC is here. And ate.
Hello, I'm getting.
And then ate have a pretzel. And today I got a new figure. A Hot Wheels figure. Yeah. It says fast over here though.
You want one?
Fast. Over here it says Hot Wheels. And this is as fast. See? Fast. There's an A for here. See that A? Yeah, see that A? For me, Antonio, aka Ace.
I have an A too. At the A part.
Yes, Alicia. Ah!
My God.
But I'm missing my Roblox account first. What did they adopt me? Okay. Pretzel. I did have pretzel, right? That day. And it's a little salty. Right, Tata?
I love pretzels.
Yummy.
Did I say pretzels? Wet?
Yeah, but like this, butchy.
They can't see your butt cheeks.
It's okay. And that is all. Thanks for watching. Peace out.